giving you a little walk around on the 45 kVA Perkins Stamford, fully manufactured here in the UK. There is a display window in the generator here. As you can see, this one is a 45 kVA prime, 50 kVA standby, country of origin UK, country of design UK. Emergency stop we have over here. UK Perkins engine with a Stamford alternator, fuel tank in the base, exhaust grill on the top with the exhaust as well, so that the exhaust fumes will be pushed up with the then in here again, Stamford alternator, air intake, front radiator, side intake, rear intake. And then you've got the base frame, which has got forklift points for you to lift, but you can also use hooks in those holes over there to lift it with straps. Every generator that we do comes with a brand new battery as well, and first fill, meaning that it will have engine oil, coolant, radiator coolant, and but diesel of course not, for obvious reasons, due to shipping restrictions. And that's it basically. If you have any questions, please let us know.